Hi guys, this is Tony. Sorry I've been busy all day. Sorry I missed 1918, all this good stuff this morning. A lot of stuff came up today, so I do apologize about it. But here comes the Union Pacific Gravel train and another tournament. Yeah, and I also want to apologize. I've been having trouble with the Amtrak Chicken Jingle playing one this week. 2 nights in a row, it was delayed, wasn't able to stand, so I want to apologize about that as well. Sorry that this week has been a little bit off, but then you get a lot of rough in again somehow. And there we go. There goes Northbound Union Pacific gravel train plus a horn show. Stay tuned for the Northbound Union Pacific manifest that also has an ace leading and stuff, and more trains are on the way as well. Stay tuned. Bye bye.